Hey, what's up? It's Philip, and I just want to share with you the new update of my course. These updates will make your journey as a freelance writer even easier, faster, and much more hands-on. I've just added brand new practical assignments to the course sections of the course. These aren't just theory, they are your personal blueprints to jumpstart your career. You'll get the hands-on experience, building your freelance foundation, mastering key writing techniques like storytelling and SEO, launching your business by planning rates and crafting a job finding plan, managing client relationships and contracts like a pro, and even creating your own professional portfolio website with Google Sites. Everything step by step. These assignments mean you'll apply everything immediately, building confidence and real assets you can use today. And to celebrate these powerful updates, I'm offering a special limited time discount on the entire Write Your Way to Freedom course. You'll get all the course content and the bonus 100 plus page ebook, and now these invaluable new assignments, all at the unbeatable price. But you have to act fast because this exclusive discount is only here for the next 5 days, and after that it's gone. So if you're ready to take control, write your way to freedom, and build that profitable freelance writing business, don't wait, click the link in the description below to enroll and claim your 5-day discount. And remember, with Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee, you truly have nothing to lose. I can't wait to see you inside the course and cheer you on as you build the writing life you've been dreaming of. So let's go!